So there are many different strategies in Forex, like millions of them. There's people all over YouTube, there's people selling courses, there's all sorts of stuff. And in this video, I just want to talk about the best strategy for you to trade when you're trading Forex. Because in my opinion, it depends on a number of factors. It depends on how much time you want to spend on the charts, what time you have. Do you want to create a job? Do you want to create time freedom? Do you want to create financial freedom? Whatever it is, all boil down to, or all can be boiled down to what strategy it is that you're trading in your Forex business. So if you're a scalper, if you want to scalp the markets on the 1 minute time frame, you're going to need to be prepared to spend 2, 3, 4 hours a day on the charts. If you're a day trader, you're going to need to spend a couple of hours probably on the charts, checking in, seeing what's going on, trading different sessions and all the rest of it. And if you're a swing trader, which is what I am, that is where, for me, I can check in on the charts once, twice a day. I don't need to be looking at my trades and checking everything's going okay. I set limit orders. I let my trades do their thing, and it's a win or it's a loss. I'm not sitting around waiting, because when I started trading, I've got other businesses that I run. I've got other things that I want to do. And the last thing I want to do is sit on the charts for hours every day. I love trading. I love the charts. I love everything about trading. But to sit on the charts waiting for setups is just not something I want to do. It's not something I want to do with my life. I didn't want to create a job and actually be sat here just waiting for those setups. I wanted to, and believe me, I've tried the scalping, I've tried the day trading, I've tried everything. And swing trading is what really resonates with me. I can go on the charts once or twice a day. I can look at it. I can set limit orders for my setups, and I literally haven't got to worry about it. And it gives me the time freedom that I need to do all the other stuff that I want to do with my life. There isn't a best strategy to trade in Forex. It depends on you. It's not the best strategy, the most profitable strategy, or whatever. It really depends what you want to create. What I want to do is, in the link in the description, there's a link to my free community that I've just created. Now, there's a whole section in there on this. You can go through and actually find out more about what type of trader you are, what it is that you want to create, what your goals are, and all the rest of it. So go and click on that, join the community, and go through the getting started section. And if you've got any questions, just hit me up, and I will talk to you in another video real soon. Take care.